The science of NHL ice, creating the perfect surface. When it comes to the sport of ice hockey, the playing surface plays a crucial role in the game. The National Hockey League, NHL, is known for its fast-paced, high-intensity matches, and creating the perfect ice surface is essential to ensure fair play and optimal performance for the players. But have you ever wondered what goes into making the ice perfect for NHL games? In this video, we will explore the science behind NHL ice and how it is created. Temperature and humidity control. One of the most critical factors in creating NHL ice is temperature and humidity control. The ice needs to be maintained at a specific temperature to ensure proper hardness and durability. Typically, NHL ice is kept at around 22 degrees Fahrenheit, -5.6 degrees Celsius. This temperature allows the ice to stay solid and reduces the chances of it melting during the game. Humidity control is also vital as it affects the ice quality. Too high humidity levels can lead to soft ice, making it difficult for players to skate and handle the puck. On the other hand, low humidity can cause the ice to become brittle, increasing the risk of injuries. NHL arenas have sophisticated dehumidification systems in place to regulate the humidity levels and maintain optimal ice conditions. Ice resurfacing. During an NHL game, the ice undergoes regular resurfacing to maintain its quality. Ice resurfacing is a process where the Zamboni machine smooths out the surface by removing any imperfections or cuts caused by skate blades. The Zamboni also lays down a fresh layer of water, which freezes to create a smooth and level playing surface. Before resurfacing, the boards around the rink are covered with plastic to protect them from the resurfacing water. The ice crew carefully drives the Zamboni across the ice, ensuring that the water is distributed evenly. This process not only keeps the ice in top condition, but also provides a consistent playing surface throughout the game. Ice painting and logos. Adding aesthetic elements to the ice surface is another aspect of creating the perfect NHL ice. Ice painting involves applying a thin, colored layer of ice paint on top of the surface. The most common color for NHL ice is white, which provides optimal visibility for the players and television viewers. However, for special events or promotions, different colors or designs may be used. In addition to simple ice painting, NHL teams often incorporate their logos onto the ice surface. This adds a unique branding element to the game and enhances the visual experience for the fans. The logos are carefully painted using stencils and colored ice paint, ensuring precision and accuracy. Ice maintenance and technology. Maintaining the ice quality throughout an NHL game requires constant monitoring and adjustments. Ice maintenance crews closely monitor the temperature and humidity levels to make necessary modifications. They may use techniques such as adjusting the airflow or applying an ice melting substance to ensure the ice remains in optimal condition. Technology also plays a significant role in ice maintenance. Advanced ice monitoring systems are used to measure factors like temperature, humidity, and ice thickness. These systems provide real-time data, allowing the ice crew to make adjustments promptly. Additionally, ice resurfacing machines, like the Zamboni, have also seen technological advancements to improve their efficiency and effectiveness. Conclusion. Creating the perfect ice surface for NHL games is a complex scientific process that involves meticulous temperature and humidity control, regular resurfacing, ice painting, and advanced technology. The attention to detail in maintaining the ice ensures fair play and provides an exciting experience for the players and spectators alike. Next time you watch an NHL game, take a moment to appreciate the science behind the ice, as it sets the stage for one of the most thrilling sports on earth.